Okay, I've got a question for you. Do you have an extra 10 minutes every day, an extra 10 minutes Monday through Friday that you can spend just doing simple searches on Google? Do you have that time in your day? If the answer is yes, you could be making an average of $2,000 extra passive income every week. Do you want to know where the loneliest place on earth is? It's not here. It's not here. No, it's right down here. It's pages 2 and higher of Google. This is where websites go to die because very few people ever make it past page 1 of Google. And why is that? Well, it's probably because most people are lazy, number 1. But number 2, if we search something on Google, we just naturally think that the most legit answer to whatever we're searching for is located on page 1. So we find what we're looking for and we never hit page 2 or higher. So how do these lucky few websites end up on page 1 of Google, the primest of the prime real estate? Well, if I were to search, let's say, how to lose weight fast, the first websites I'm going to see are all people that are paying for advertising. They're paying to be ranked number 1 on the first page. If we scroll down a little farther, we'll see that these guys aren't paying for ads, but they know how to work the SEO. The SEO stands for search engine optimization, and very few people that run these websites, except for the ones you see here on page number 1, know how to manipulate that and know how to work that correctly. Now, your job, my brave people, is going to be to venture where very few people dare to go, and that's page 2 and higher of Google, okay? You're gonna spend 10 minutes a day diving deep into the bowels of Google, the labyrinth that is these higher pages, and you're gonna help rescue some of these sad websites from disappearing into the void forever. And by doing that, not only will you be doing a great service for some of these sad websites, but you're also gonna make an average of $2,000 a week into your PayPal account. You're gonna introduce them to this website right here, which is gonna put them on page 1 of Google. They're gonna make money, you're gonna make money. And by the way, this is the same site that is used by Tesla, P&G, Samsung, Ford, even Walmart to rank on page 1. And make this fun for yourself. Search things that you're already interested in. For instance, if you search how to make money online and get to about page 20, you might come across a YouTube channel just like this, which by the way is the channel you are watching right now. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and go through all these videos right here. Make some money, like them all, get paid. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. You're gonna get paid a lot of money by introducing as many of those sad, low-ranking websites as you can to this website here, semrush.com. And this is the one-stop shop for all these websites that are low-ranking. It's gonna put them on page 1. And chances are they're selling something, so they're gonna make more sales, you're gonna make money, and they are gonna love you. Look, I guarantee you that none of these other websites that are low ranking have ever heard of semrush.com. They've probably never even heard of SEO. They don't know what it is. They don't know how to optimize for search results in Google. So like, look at this. 30% of all Fortune 500 companies, they already know not to waste time. They pay this website to help their website rank. Does that make sense? But it's not just Fortune 500 companies that find this useful. Any type of business or website that wants to rank higher on Google and land their ass on page 1, they're gonna love this. So check this out. For every company or website you can get signed up to SEMrush, you will be making $200. So if you sell 10 of those a week, and this is gonna be very easy, stick with me, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. If you sell 10 a week, that's $2,000 a week. And if you spend 10 minutes a day visiting certain websites, low-ranking ones, you're gonna make this money, trust me. Now, stick with me for a second because this is a separate website you got to go to generate an affiliate link for yourself. And for as low as $120 a month, they can make all their dreams come true. So this is not very expensive for them to create a lot more web traffic and a lot more sales for themselves, okay? I'm gonna give you the complete template, okay, when you contact these people. And you won't be doing this by phone, don't worry, you'll just be visiting their contact page. I'm gonna give you the exact template exactly what you're gonna say. That's gonna guarantee that you're gonna get a bunch of sales doing this. So just go back to Google and literally type in anything you can think of. For this example, I'm just gonna use dentist, okay? So just let's type in dentist, and then we're gonna get deep into the bowels here. Well, obviously, you wanna steer clear of page 1 of the search results. We wanna start with page 2 or higher. I prefer to start, this is what's worked for me. I always start with page 5. So I hit page 5 and we start there. Then you just wanna start clicking on some of these websites, and you just wanna focus on ones that have a contact page, like this one right here. Perfect. First one that comes up has a contact page. I just found them on page 5 of the dentist search results in Google. So this will be perfect. And all you want to do, you want to contact 5 websites a day, 5 days a week. That should take you less than 10 minutes, okay? If you promise yourself that you're gonna do this for 10 minutes a day and contact 5 different websites every day, you're gonna make money. So all we would do here, and they make this real easy, come down to this contact page, give them your name, give them a fake name if you want. You never have to give a phone number. You can give just a bullshit email if you want, but here's what you'll type right here. Hello, my name is blank. Obviously, whatever name you put there, put here. Hello, my name is blank, and I am a Google SEO specialist in your area. I noticed that your website appears on page 5 of the Google search results. Ooh. If you would like to appear on page 1, here is a link to more info that can help you achieve that. And then you're gonna paste your link right there. So you never have to deal with these people face to face. You're just sitting at home in your underwear, visit 5 websites a day, put that exact text in there, or if you want to change it up, go ahead, but this has worked for me. Okay, to get your personalized affiliate link, you need to go to berush.com, berush, BERUSH.com. Come down here and hit join now, and you got to follow me along here. I'm going to show you exactly what to enter. Okay, the easiest way to sign up is going to be through your social network account, like your Facebook or your Twitter or one of those. So you can just hit that. But if you don't want to do that, then you just got to go ahead and fill out this basic information right here. I don't think I need to walk you through that. Your name, your email, do a password, all that, okay? When you get down to company name here, you don't have to worry about any of this stuff, okay? You don't have to put in a company name. You don't have a company. It doesn't really matter, okay? When you get down here to promotional information, you want to click on this one right here, search engine marketing, okay? And then property type, you want to just hit mobile like that, okay? Then just hit the orange sign up button at the bottom here. They're going to generate you a link. Next step is to bring that link over here to bit.ly.com because they gave us a big ass ugly link and we need to shorten it and make it look better. So just paste your link in there, see that, and you just want to shorten it like that. And now we've got a nicer looking link. It's smaller. It's going to look more professional when we post it. The last step is to subscribe to Online Moneymaker, baby. Make it happen. It's going to make you feel good because we help you make money. This is Online Moneymaker.